My name is Dhanaji Khade and you are watching my YouTube channel English Developers. Now we are going to learn about one of the 8th standard poem 2.1 Try Again. First we see summary of this poem. Try Again is a simple, reflective and moralizing poem gleaned by the pen of the British poet William Edward Hickson. In this poem, the poet tells us the importance of trying again in case we fail in doing something due to some adverse circumstances. He says that we should continue trying again till we succeed. The speaker says if we fail in our first attempt, we should not get disappointed. We should try again because then we will become courageous. If we persist because of this courage, we will conquer. The speaker admits that when we try again, we may fail once or twice. However, if we keep on trying, we will succeed. If we do not win a race, we should not give up trying again in shame. Moreover, if we find our task difficult to accomplish, we should not lose heart. Time will bring us our fruit of labor. We can also do what other people can do, but it needs patience. In short, this little poem gives us a big lesson. It gives us a message of hope, courage, hard work, perseverance, and optimism. We should always keep this message in mind to be crowned with victory in our life. This is the summary of this poem. Now we see theme of this poem. Theme: this poem is a moral lesson for us. In this poem, the poet says, if at first we do not succeed, try again to get your goal. We should not give up our struggle during failure. We should learn from failure. Try again is only the gateway to success. In other words, poet tries to explain the importance of try again in life. Many people get frustrated after failure and give up their struggle. So we can say that try again is the only way to be successful. Now we see poem name is Try Again. म्हणजे पुन्हा प्रयत्न करा. Tease it is the shortened form of the it is. म्हणजे बघा बघा tease हा shortened form of tease म्हणजे it is चे संक्षिप्त रूप आहे. बघा tease a lesson you should heed means like a pay attention to. म्हणजेच बघा पे अटेन्शन टू म्हणजे लक्ष देणे किंवा दखल देणे. तरी सुद्धा बघा ट्राय अगेन प्रयत्न बघा टीज लेसन यू हीड ट्राय अगेन. इफ ॲट फर्स्ट यू डोंट सक्सीड ट्राय अगेन. पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला एक सक्सेस यश मिळेलच असं नाही, परंतु प्रयत्न करत राहा. देन युअर करेज शुड अपीअर फॉर इफ यू विल प्रिझर्व मीन्स कीप ट्राईंग टिल वन अचीव. म्हणजेच बघा अचीव म्हणजे इच्छा पुरवत राहा, तुम्ही त्याच्या पाठलाग करत राहा. You will conquer, never fear, try again. Into this stanza, poet said that the poem gives the lesson of try again. If we fail in our first attempt, we should not give up. Rather, we should continue working till we succeed. Try again is a message that cannot be ignored. We must always pay attention to this message. If, due to adverse circumstances, we fail in our first effort, we should not be discouraged, or rather we should make better efforts to reach our goal. We must demonstrate that we have firmness to bear the loss. Then we should come forward with a new spirit. We should be steadfast in our efforts without any fear. If we do so, we will be succeed. Thus, we should not neglect the lesson try again. Now second stanza. Once or twice through you should fail, ट्राय अगेन. बघा एकदा नाही दोनदा हे सुद्धा तुम्ही फेल व्हाल पर तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही बघा ट्राय करत राहा, प्रयत्न करत राहा. इफ यू वुड ॲट लास्ट प्रिवेल, ट्राय अगेन. इफ वी स्ट्राइव मीन्स ट्राय व्हेरी हार्ड अँड स्ट्रगल. बघा स्ट्राइव मीन्स बघा व्हेरी हार्ड अँड स्ट्रगल मीन्स प्रयत्नांची पराकाष्ठा करत राहावा. इफ वी स्ट्राइव इट्स नो disgrace, through we do not win the race. What should we do in that case? Try again. Into this second stanza, poet says that poet describes the in this stanza the poet W. Hickson says that we may fail in our attempt of effort for one time or two, but if we keep on struggling, we will finally win. What we need to do is to keep on working and not to get disappointed and be persistent in striving. It is not a matter of shame to work and work. Though we have failed in our preceding efforts, we should not feel discouraged. What we need to do in such a situation is try again. Now come to the last stanza. Into the last stanza, poet said, if you find your task is hard म्हणजे कठीण, तुम्हाला जर आढळलं की तुमचं टास्क खूप हार्ड आहे, टास्क मीन्स डिफिकल्ट वर्क, अवघड कार्य आहे, ट्राय अगेन, तरी सुद्धा प्रयत्न करत राहा. टाइम विल ब्रिंग यू युअर रिवॉर्ड्स. रिवॉर्ड म्हणजे बक्षीस. ट्राय अगेन ऑल दॅट अदर फॉक कॅन डू. व्हाय विथ पेशन्स. पेशन्स मीन्स कॅपॅसिटी टू ॲक्सेप्ट डिले विदाउट लुझिंग होप. म्हणजे बा पेशन्स म्हणजे कॅपॅसिटी टू ॲक्सेप्ट डिले विदाउट लुझिंग होप मीन्स सहनशीलता. मीन्स बघा व्हाय विथ पेशन्स मे नॉट यू only keep this rule in a few, try again. Into this stanza poet said, in this stanza the poet says that if you feel you cannot accomplish your task in one effort, make another one with the considerable force. There will be a time when you will enjoy the fruit of your labor. What you need to do is to keep on working. You must know that if all people can do their jobs, you can also do yours. What you need is to be persistent in making efforts. The only things you must keep in mind is that you should never get disappointed. You just need to continue working till you succeed. This poem is written by W. E. Hicksons. Now we see margin questions. Margin questions. First question is, what should you do when you when you fail at first? Answer is, if at first I don't succeed, then I will try again. Second question is, when do we generally feel ashamed? Answer is, we generally feel ashamed when we fail to achieve success in the work we have undertaken. Third question is, what rules must be always kept in mind? Answer is, when other people can get success with their patience, you also can do it likewise in the same way, but don't forget to try again and again till you succeed. These are the rules that must be kept in mind.